Hi, you're welcome to Kunmi exclusive. If you've ever had difficulty making a Canadian smoking, this video is for you. On the other hand, if you're like me, who believe to every creative design, there has to be a simpler and more relatable means of achievement, this is also for you. Today, I'll be showing you how to make a Canadian smoked sleeve. This is my sleeve and it's 20.5 inches long. I gave it a good press to help me identify the midpoint of the sleeve. And on both sides of the midpoint, I'll be marking 1 inch. I will go over to the hem of the sleeve and mark 1 inch as well. With the aid of my ruler, I will connect the markings together. The next thing I will do is to mark 1.5 inch from the upper part all the way to the hem of the sleeve. You can choose to use 1 inch, depends on how big or small you want your smoking to be. I'll go over to the other side and mark 1.5 inch all the way to the hem. I'll connect together. The next thing, I will make some slantings, leaving an empty box in between. When I'm done with this side, I'll go over to the other side and make a slanting in the opposite direction, leaving an empty box in between as well. When I'm done with this, I will get a matching thread and a hand needle. I will start my stitching from one angle to the other. And then I will knot it just to secure my stitchings. I will continue in this manner till I get to the hem of the sleeve. This is the last one. I just thought to show you the hem. When I'm done, I'm just going to fold the hem of the sleeve. You can flip and stitch right away. This is what it will look like. But I'm going to show you a more excellent way. I will open it up and pleat. Do well to also secure yours with pins. This is what it looks like, and now I can fold and stitch with my seam allowance. My seam allowance is 0.5, so I'm going to go ahead and stitch with that. I've done that. I'm just going to flip over and try it on, but before I try it on, I'll show you what it looks like. Perhaps I should also measure and show you what we have left. Remember, initially this sleeve was 20.5. Look at what we have, 15.5. So when you are making yours, do well to add extra 6 inches or 7 or even 8, especially if your own box is 1 inch. Do well to add enough seam allowance, or should I say extra inches. This is what it looks like. It won't be a bad idea to add beads to the middle. Well, thank you so much for watching, guys. See you in my next tutorial. Bye.